Welcome guys. I am going to tell you 18 way to earn money online, work from home without any investment. Yes, did you hear that? Without any investment. Did you try to make money online before you did not get success? Then no need to worry anymore. Okay, here I'm going to 18 way to earn money online without any investment. First, without any taking the time, first is earn money with blogging. I have been making money with blogging. Not I mean it's just you can do it. Blogging is the small that you can start it here. The second is become a captcha solver. If you have more free time in 2 hours, then you can add further income in your pocket by working as a captcha solver. Third is earn with affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing here. I mean it's Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Clickbank that you can earn money by affiliate marketing. Become a freelancer. Freelancing is another popular way to make money after blogging and affiliate marketing. As a freelancer, you can work with small or big companies on a temporary basis and provide them your service. And the next is a virtual assistant. It means that you can work with virtually, not physically. Okay, here and me for here in some example, hire my mom, my task virtual 1 2 3 employ. The second and the next is the writing job, that you can work in a writing job without any investment. Micro working is a way that you can work. Okay, now coming to the next is become a YouTuber. You can work as a YouTuber, but you have to be a patience, because in a YouTube you will not be making money by in one day. You have to be monetize your channel, then you can earn money. And you can create a different kind of videos like prank videos, comedy video, chicken not a chicken kitchen recipes, how to do videos, travel tips, anything you can think. Okay, now next is a become an online seller. You can become an online seller. That online selling is not just a traditional selling. You don't have much scope of selling your item outside, but there is a two way that you can selling the product. Like if you I mean you can create it on your website and sell the product, or become a seller on any famous shopping portal like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, etc. Okay, now coming to the next is domain trader. Domain trading is another high profit business you can do online, but here you need to some investment for buying the domain. Website flipping, like domain trading, website flipping is also hot business to earn money online. Here you don't deal with domain but website. Provide training and consultancy. There is a big scope of earning money online if you have some good skills that people need, like you have provide training on spoken English, computer courses, and any technical courses that you can train if you have any skills. Okay, next is the stock and forex trading. That there is a trending to be stock and forex trading, because in due to COVID-19 there are unemployment is increases, there have no jobs. That's why people are learning the stocks, and they are doing the trading is a very popular. There is no need to be invest anything else. Earn money from your smartphone. It means there are various smartphone apps that you can pay. You have some extra income by completing some simple task on your smartphone. Next is a sell photo online. Sell photos online. You can sell the photos online. It's a different website, that Shutterstock, Photolia, iStocks Photo, whatever. Okay, next is the sell all stuffs on OLX and Quicker. That if you have a all the things, all the substances that you can sell in OLX, you just need to do two things: find out all the item that you are no longer using, take high quality photos of these items from the different angles, and list them OLX and Quicker for sale. Okay, so these 18 ways can provide a perfect answer for your queries how to earn money online. And yes, and you can shoot and You can write in comment below that if you more than about that how to do it and how we can be perfectly do it, then you can comment and like, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.